This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. Communication mode. RS485 communication supports Modbus protocol, which can control various functions of the pump. For specific parameter addresses and support instructions, refer to the communication technical standard of lead fluid. First, remove the protective cover of the external control interface on the rear of the driver. With the power off, connect the wiring according to actual requirements. Then connect the DB15 connector to the back of the pump. Then connect the other end of the communication cable to the computer. Turn on the power switch. The LCD screen will display welcome information and display the main interface. Press mode to switch the mode to dispensing mode or internal control mode. Open the lead fluid peristaltic pump communication control software. First select the S series and basic operations, and then click on the connection. Adjust the speed to 100 revolutions per minute. Click Send. Set the direction to clockwise. Click Run, and the pump starts running. Click Stop to stop the pump. Adjust the speed to 600 revolutions per minute. Click Send. Set the direction to counterclockwise. Click Run, and the pump starts running. Click Stop to stop the pump.